Today I'm going to show you exactly how to leverage ChatGPT to create high quality ads that are perfectly tailored to your ideal customer profile. I'm going to cover the exact prompts you should be using and how to leverage AI as much as possible within your e-commerce brand. And you don't need 50 tools, you just need ChatGPT and obviously a premium membership. To give you guys obviously some context, we started using ChatGPT for image optimization for our clients, and here's the results for a furniture brand, and it really shows you the potential of all of this. Here we have a simple test. We ran their old standard product images versus lifestyle images that you can use ChatGPT to create, and I'm going to show you how to obviously do this as well. But yeah, the results are wild. Lifestyle images made $189,000. Standard images only made like $9,000. So that's a 2,000% increase in revenue made from a single feed change. And Google and obviously the target audience pushed the lifestyle images way more. Just to show you 3 of the ads they were running, here we have a round dining table. The top shows a lifestyle image, the bottom shows obviously the standard product image, as you can see. And again, for lifestyle, more clicks, more conversions, more impressions. Let's scroll down a little bit to another dining table, and again, same thing. And last but not least, the bed they were selling, again, the exact same thing. And this brings me to my next point. Here's the problem with most e-commerce brands: they're bleeding on Google Shopping because their product images are either boring, they can't capture attention in search results, your sterile white background photos look identical to every single competitor out there. There's zero difference between you and your competitor, so why are they going to click your ad? Which means, shoppers scroll right past your ads even without noticing them. Secondly, too generic. Images just aren't creating that emotional connection or that emotional impact to create that urge to look and click, because people don't buy products at the end of the day, guys. They buy a better version of themselves. Thirdly, this all leads to missed opportunities. You could fall in the bucket of e-commerce brands where it looks like you have good ROIs, but because you're not making tests like these, you're literally burning free money. This is where AI comes into it. Instead of waiting for models, photographers, editors, graphic designers, you can do all of this in ChatGPT for a fraction of the cost and a fraction of the time. As you can see, here are some examples of ads that we've completely done with AI that we're leveraging on Google Shopping for clients. We just had to give ChatGPT our product and creative direction, and that's it. But you know what? Let's dive into the workflow. Here I'm going to run you through an example of an LED mask. So step 1, I want you to upload your product image. Start a ChatGPT conversation, upload your standard product photo, use high resolution images for best results, and then just search, here is an image of our product. We're going to be adjusting it. Let me know when you're ready. Secondly, you want to specify image style too. Here is one where we want to have a plain side profile of the product. So you can write, make me a side angle image of the product against the white background. Crazy thing is, the picture we gave it isn't even like an exact representation of the mask. It's pulled it from there and got the side profile, so it's crazy. Okay, another one where our ICP is a woman and we want to show the product in a lifestyle image. Then we wrote, make me an image of the model lying down in the bed with a mask on her face while she relaxes. ChatGPT simply knows what to do, and if you prompt correctly and upload the images, it's gonna spit out a pretty good end result. Here, if you're targeting a completely different ICP, in this case men instead of women, do another one with a man side angle, black shirt relaxing on a brown couch. Crazy. Very good, ChatGPT. Also here's a plain image we got from Wine by Lamborghini. Same process, different creative direction. We turned it into a lifestyle shot. Or we got tabs. Here we actually give it a really low resolution picture of their box. And here we still got a really high quality photo to leverage as a lifestyle image. And here's another one from Crafted where a simple chain we can put on the model's neck. Or Snow where we can take packaging photos that the brand would have taken in-house or in a studio and turned it into a product focused shot. Instead of waiting for models and influencers to take shots for you, you can have these within minutes. So this is just the key workflow, because don't just think you can create these images and hope one prints. There is a very systematic approach we use with all our clients to ensure maximum results from this ChatGPT image strategy. So step 1, you want to get a good pulse on your competition. Check your search reports, see who's ranking above you or affecting your rankings the most. Let's sort of learn from their strategy. Secondly, check live shopping ads too. Thirdly, I'd say learn from bigger brands. And then 4, just use AI for image testing. This is actually critical. You want to get data and create proper testing for your specific brand. Not all images and styles work the same for every audience and product category. The brands that win with this strategy are the ones who follow this systematic approach instead of just randomly trying different images. And here's exactly what you want to do next. So I'd say take your best performing products and run them through the ChatGPT sort of transformation process that I just showed you. allocate 20% of your Google Ads budget to test these lifestyle images against your current product photos, leveraging AI to create these or not. And I know this might sound complicated, but if you are not familiar with ChatGPT, what I showed you in this video, prompts, images uploading, you can very much do the same. And if you're spending over 10K a month, you can really leverage this stuff because you now have the ability to test these sort of things within your ad account. So with that being said, feel free to leave a comment, and if you want your Google ad account audited and potentially you want to work with us and get us to manage your ad account, go ahead and book a time with myself on our website. I hope you found value in the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.